So our professor, Dr. Frankie Juliacha, may we please be on stage again for the receiving of certificate. Professor Dr. Frankie Juliacha, thank you for such inspiring message. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we are about to begin an inspiring segment featuring video messages from esteemed individuals who uphold and celebrate our shared heritage and culture. To start, we are honored to present a message from Her Royal Highness Dame Grand Cross P.S. Cry Febrina Binti RRM Abdul Hamid bin Raja, Dr. Raja Kamaruddin, representing the international affairs of the Sultanate of Asahan. Her wisdom and insights reflect the profound legacy of the Sultanate and its contributions to international dialogue and cultural preservation. Let us give our full attention to this meaningful message.
Selamat atas konvensi perdamaian dunia yang tahun Filipina. Dan besar-besarnya karena kami tidak bisa hadir dalam.
It is with great excitement that we present the next video message from our bird leader who embodies the rich cultural heritage of history. Allow me to introduce DYM Kanjeng Gusti Sultan Raja Muhammad Emiruddin, the King, the 12th of the Sultanate of Canoban, Cirebon. His message reflects the timeless values and traditions of the Sultanate, offering profound insights that bridge the past and the present. Let us turn our attention to this inspiring address.
Assalamualaikum.